Hello friends, welcome to USN Mix YouTube channel. Science and technology related topic mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our channel, then subscribe. Then you can subscribe and our channel, and also don't forget to click bell button in the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from first to last. Okay, let's start. Today's topic is Samsung will launch Samsung Galaxy Note 7 series in New York on 7th August. First go to our website usnmix.com. Here the first is Samsung will launch Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series in New York on 7th August. Go to the full report. USN Mix report. Samsung will launch the Galaxy Note 7 Note series 2 smartphones. So Samsung will launch Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series in New York on 7 August, and these 10 series phones very soon in New York in tomorrow 7 August. For the first time, Samsung is unveiling two Galaxy Note device, Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and also a S Pen simultaneously on 7 August in New York, which will take performance and productivity to the next level. At the same time, Apple is about to launch a new iPhone in the holiday season. Both the Samsung's device will have the front facing camera inside the display. Also, they will have triple rear camera. So this is the picture of this Samsung Galaxy 10 series Note 10 phone, and this is the triple camera. Price to be close 66,000. So it is approximately 66,000. The price of this phone is approximately 66,000. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus will have a large 4300 MHz battery, which will support fast charging, while the other device will have 3500 MHz battery. The S Pen stylish pen is likely to have an air functions feature, which will take it easier for user to perform cool tricks, to take pictures or make PowerPoint presentations. It is believed that initial price of this smartphone can be around 949 US dollar, that is around 66,724 INR Indian rupees. There is no official information regarding the price yet. The time stylish pen, that is S Pen, will have such a feature which will enable users to navigate gesture. In the Note 7 released last year, Bluetooth feature was provided in the S Pen so that users can take pictures even remotely. Keeping in mind the gaming by Samsung, there is possibility of giving new features in this phone. So its price is about 66,000 in Indian money, in Indian currency, or 949 US dollar, approximately 950 US dollars. Its battery features is very good. 4300 MHz battery in Galaxy Note 7 Plus, and others have 3500 MHz battery. So this is the information is taking from this USN Mix report. So it will, this is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series, these two phones, Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, Galaxy Note 10 Plus, these two phones will launch in New York on 7th August. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like our channel and like to watch same type of the videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe of USN Mix YouTube channel. If you want to share any information about the video, then you can also make comments. Thank you. Thank you for watching once again. Thank you.